today, I was in my locker room and I got knocked out with a bat from Lightning and his new bodyguard Wild Thing. And the only person on my side to help was the Raptor. So me and the Raptor were calling Lightning and Wild Thing out for a tag team match.